Have you ever noticed how some small businesses skyrocket almost overnight while others barely manage to stay alive? Every entrepreneur eventually faces this confusion. Where should I invest my time, money, and energy? The surprising truth is that the biggest opportunities today do not lie in broad, saturated industries. Instead, they are hidden inside hyper-focused niche markets where demand is rapidly rising but competition is still extremely low. If you pick the right niche at the right time, you can build a highly profitable business even with limited resources. In this video, we'll explore 20 powerful hyper-niche business ideas with massive potential for 2025 and beyond. 1. Personalized 3D printed prosthetics for children. A specialized service offering affordable, customizable prosthetic limbs for kids in developing regions. These lightweight 3D designs solve both cost and accessibility issues. 2. Subscription indoor farming kits for small apartments. Monthly kits that allow urban residents to grow organic vegetables in tiny spaces using soil-less and low-maintenance systems. 3. AI-enhanced resume optimization for remote tech roles. A service focused entirely on helping global tech workers perfect their CVs using AI tools, increasing their chances of landing remote jobs. 4. Eco-friendly pet coffins and urns. Sustainable farewell products made from biodegradable materials, designed for pet owners seeking environmentally conscious memorial options. 5. Platforms teaching endangered indigenous languages. A digital education ecosystem dedicated solely to preserving rare native dialects through online classes, audio libraries, and cultural content. 6. Smart wearable devices for elderly fall detection. A safety wearable that immediately alerts family members when seniors slip, improving response time and reducing medical risks. 7. Skincare for high-altitude travelers. Specialized creams, balms, and moisturizers designed for people visiting mountain destinations where cold winds and low humidity damage skin. 8. Vegan protein from water lentils. A nutrient-rich, plant-powered protein powder made entirely from water lentils, perfect for athletes, vegans, and eco-friendly consumers. 9. Drone-powered crop monitoring for small organic farms. Affordable aerial monitoring that helps small farmers track soil health, moisture levels, pest activity, and plant growth. 10. Digital therapy for postpartum mothers. Online counseling sessions tailored specifically to support new mothers dealing with stress, anxiety, and postpartum depression. 11. Ergonomic furniture for gamers. Specially developed chairs, desks, and accessories designed to protect gamers from posture damage, back pain, and long-term spine issues. 12. Rare spice subscription boxes. Monthly deliveries of unique, hard-to-find spices from around the world, complete with recipes for adventurous home cooks. 13. AI-driven math-only tutoring. A hyper-focused tutoring platform that teaches only mathematics, using AI to simplify complex problem-solving for struggling students. 14. Designer maternity wear rental platform. A rental service offering high-end maternity outfits for stylish mothers-to-be, ideal for photo shoots, events, and daily wear. 15. Solar-powered rural cold storage units. Affordable solar cold rooms that prevent food spoilage for farmers who lack access to electricity or refrigeration facilities. 16. Pet-friendly travel booking platforms. A service that plans entire vacations for pet owners, from hotels to transport, ensuring all options are certified as pet-friendly. 17. Eco-jewelry from recycled ocean plastics. A marketplace dedicated to handcrafted jewelry made using recycled materials collected from beaches and oceans. 18. Real estate-focused AI chatbots. AI chat assistants built solely for real estate businesses, helping automate customer queries about listings, pricing, and appointments. 19. Smart kitchen devices for the visually impaired. Innovative kitchen tools designed to help blind or visually impaired individuals cook safely and independently. 20. Digital detox wellness retreats for executives. Premium, tech-free wellness experiences designed for corporate leaders seeking mental clarity, stress relief, and a break from screens. If you enjoyed this list of powerful niche ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Millionaire Thoughts for more business inspiration, growth strategies, and future-ready opportunities. Thank you for watching.